Hi, and welcome to VMware vSphere 8.0 training from ESX Lab. I'm your instructor, Larry Karnas, and I'd like to personally welcome you to my latest course. This course is titled VMware vSphere 8.0 100% Hands-on Labs. And like the title says, this course is completely devoted to vSphere 8.0 hands-on lab demo videos. What you get in this course is over 16 hours of recorded hands-on lab demo videos covering 96 separate hands-on lab tasks. In this video, I cover all major vSphere 8.0 topics, including how to do a complete install of ESXi 8.0, how to set up networking, how to connect to IP-based storage, including NFS and iSCSI shared storage, how to create, configure, and hot plug and upgrade virtual hardware, how to install and configure vCenter, how to configure vMotion and storage vMotion, how to configure distributed resource scheduling load balance clusters, how to enable enhanced vMotion compatibility, how to configure high availability clusters, how to provide zero unplanned downtime with VMware fault tolerance, how to update and upgrade your ESXi hosts with vSphere Lifecycle Manager, and much, much more. By the time you are done with this course, you will have learned step-by-step how to build a complete vSphere 8.0 environment from scratch. My course will help you to achieve your certification goals by giving you the practical, hands-on knowledge and experience you need to pass the VMware Certified Professional Data Center Virtualization exam. It will give you the experience you need to become a more effective vSphere 8.0 administrator. It will help you quickly learn how to complete major vSphere 8.0 tasks, and it will become an invaluable resource that you will go to again and again when you need to learn or relearn how to perform key vSphere 8.0 tasks. So if adding vSphere 8.0 how-to knowledge and skills is something you need to enhance your career, I hope to see you in this course in the very near future. Thanks. Take care.